we have completed sketch based features. For the transformation features, we don't need to sketch and develop anything. We need an object, any object. Here it is: translation, rotation, symmetry, axis to axis, mirror, rectangle, circular pattern. These are all operations which deals with object. Okay, now we are going to start about transformation features. Here, see this. In this transformation features, subfolders are there: transformations, patterns, and scale. In this transformations, again here it is: translation, rotation, symmetry, axis, rectangular pattern, circular pattern, user pattern, scaling, and affinity. These are the commands which are in transformation features. If we completed this, then we can almost complete transformation features. Select the plane, sketch. Okay, here I am going to choose hexagon. Don't hesitate with hexagon because always I am choosing this. It's very easy to select that. Okay, now I am done with hexagon. Exit workbench. Give some thickness by using pad. Let's give 80 mm. Or else, why don't we give 200? 200. Okay, done. Now let's observe this object. It is stick with the Z and Y plane. Okay, and it is center of the coordination point. This is the object we have done. So now first option is translation. So I am selecting translation. Here we will get pop-up box question: do you really want to keep the transformation specifications? If you do not want to move your geometry using the compass or 3D constraints, then select the no. If you want to move, then select yes. So here I want to move the object. Translate. In this translate, here we have coordinates, direction, point to point coordinates. Let's see direction and distance. Okay, direction. In which direction we want? For example, I want to use x direction, and in distance, at the distance of 250. Okay, have you observed the object is moved 250 distance from this point? Okay, let's undo. This is the first option. Again, I'm using translation. Yes, the same pop-up box display here. Yes. Here now I want to use point to point. Okay, starting point, I'm selecting this origin point. Yes. Now I want second end point. Here there is no end point. I'm creating here itself. Create a point. So which distance? X distance. It is 150. Here it is. I'm using 500 mm only in x direction, so that I'm giving y0 z0. Let's preview. Yes, here it is a point. It is second point. I selected first point and it is a second point. Okay, so I'm choosing second point. Also it is a second point. Okay, here the object is moved. The object is moved from point 1 to point 2. Okay, again I'm using translation. Same pop-up box again. Yes, point to point here. Now I'm using coordinates. Here we used direction and distance, point to point. Now it is coordinates. Yes, coordinates. X point I am giving 150, and y direction means in this direction it is 400, and z direction it is above. Here I am giving 1000 for clear understanding what happening. Okay, let's click OK. See here, object is moved to up direction. I mean it moved to given value. This is the translation. Thanks for watching CATTECH tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.